Everyone wants you renting the infrastructure behind your digital life. Today we're going to keep building your own personal cloud. By the end of this video, you'll be able to access files stored on your own server from anywhere. If you've been following the series, we already built a Debian server and secured it with a VPN. Now it's finally time to put it to work. Step 1. Install Samba. First, log into your server. Next, update your package lists with sudo apt update. Now install Samba and the Samba client. Step 2. Set up folders. Create a directory for your network drive with sudo makedir. Change the ownership of the folder to your user with sudo chown, and make sure the permissions are set correctly with sudo chmod. Step 3. Configure Samba. Open the Samba configuration file for editing. Scroll to the bottom of the file and add your drive configuration. Add your drive in brackets, my drive. Set the path to the folder we just created, make it visible to the network, allow write access, and require a password by disabling guest access. Step 4. Create Samba password. Now create a Samba password for your user with sudo smb password. Enable the Samba service so it starts on boot. systemctl enable smbd. Restart the service to apply our configuration changes. systemctl restart smbd. And finally, verify that it's running properly. systemctl status smbd. Step 5. Test locally. Let's test it out on the server first using the Samba client. Type smb client-l localhost-u user. It'll print information about our Samba shares. Step 6. Connect from Windows. Now on your Windows machine, open File Explorer and choose Map Network Drive. Enter the path to your server and drive. Step 7. Connect from Mac. If you're on a Mac, open Finder. Press Command K or choose Go, then connect to server. Enter the Samba address for your server, starting with smb:// your IP / the name of the drive. Then click Connect. And just like that, we have our first real service running on our home server. You're now running your own personal cloud. Instead of paying someone else to store your files, they're sitting on an asset that you own. Your home server is finally doing real work for you. If you'd rather skip building all this stuff yourself, check out Hexbox. If you'd like help building your own setup, I also offer one-on-one consulting. If you don't want to maintain your own VPN, there's PageKey VPN. And if you want to meet other people taking back their tech, come join one of our community events. I'd love to meet you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. I'm Steve, this is PageKey, and this is how we take back tech.